It's currently 7:47 and we are leaving Cedar Falls to go to Wyoming to hunt antelope.
I figured we can get to Mitchell. We're only gonna need one more stop and then we can get there.
Hey guys, we just got to Mitchell, South Dakota. We have about 5 hours left, stopping to get some gas and keep going from there. We just arrived here at the lodge in Wyoming. As you can see, here is the bar area with a nice pool table. And as I come in here, it's the breakfast area and hangout area. There's a few rooms upstairs, and then there's bedrooms back here that me and Luke each have our own bedroom, so it's pretty nice.
That one's not too bad. He's a little thin.
There's a bigger one behind him.
Yeah.
That bigger one up there, I think. Is that a...
Got some good
shit. Okay, there's 2 of them laying down, bucks.
He's walking behind a whole herd of them now.
Once he clears that one.
Either of those right there together.
Those 2 bucks, they're both showing cheeks.
Yep. Got time.
Do you think we can creep a little closer? Or not?
Hey, he's...
Do that. We get more. I think if we just let them nose around a little bit, well, it might give you a shot.
Was there a 3rd buck, I think?
To make sure he's the one on the left of the big group, right?
Farthest left, yep. On the big group there.
Back to me, or is he turning?
Back to you.
Now he's turning.
Yep.
He's gonna walk right behind. Hey, the other one's moving.
He's got a shot. Okay, there we go.
Dropped him.
Okay, let's see what happens. You got other ones.
Blaine, you want to take a shot?
No.
They're standing broadside looking.
Do you want to take a doe?
I can. Yeah. Well, not if they run farther to the left.
They stop, Blaine.
What? Oh my god, he has to be dumb about it. That is a nice...
Look at her! Did he say look at her?
Yeah.
I knew that was a nice one. You said you got a girlfriend, right?
On us, Blaine.
Am I good? Do I need to wait for him to go sideways?
I would a little bit.
Okay.
Hopefully...
There he is. Be careful.
Either one of those bucks. Hopefully... Yeah. Too close to those cows now.
Blake, can you put this back?
Yeah, look at it. Shoot the right one. The left one. Which one are you going for? Hey, how far? 150. Which one do you want, B? You can shoot the one to the left. See the two to the left? Yeah. Which one? The one to the far left. Far left.
Which one's bigger?
Far left.
What?
Left. Give me the gun.
She's not dead though, is she?
No. Hey, there's another. She's dead.
Look at them all over there. Yeah, I seen them go over that way. Yeah. He might be the biggest one I've seen. I don't think I saw a bigger one in that group. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna go get the gator.
It's roast either. Soak it. Something and then throw it in the chicken broth. We'll see. Worst thing you can do is learn that something we can do it.
Got the goats skinned and we got the heads in the cooler to take home to get them mounted, and here's our result. We got 4 antelope here. Got the back strap taken out, and the cook here at camp is going to be cooking it up for us. So here's our room. We're going to grind some meat and cut some roast out tonight and get it all cut up. Hit the road tomorrow. Get ready to go back to Iowa bright and early. Here's a view of the place we're staying in Wyoming. Really nice place. We each have our own room to ourselves. Only 2 hunters at camp right now. It's pretty sweet. They have a nice outside bar area and really big porch to look out. And as you can tell, it snowed a little bit while we're here.
Thumper does out there. He went a long ways to that ditch. He was going to try to get out of her.
We're pretty sure some lyrics might slip into that next message.
God damn it, look at the traffic.
First stop since this morning at 6:45. It's now 1:45 and we're in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, filling up.